welcome back to K&L Farms. And these pieces that I'm cutting off, it's easier to get the scraps. These are sideboards, scraps, instead of just throwing them away. I cut them up, I'll put them on a pallet, and I'll bring the tractor, get the forks off, put the tractor over there, get them off there. But these are, instead of just being waste, they turn into the firewood. And then you can see the sawmill head, and directly behind the sawmill head you can see the pile. And that pile, the timbers that I've cut for the new building, and these are the 1x. It's either 1x, that one's worked up with it, but either 1x or 2x4. So I haven't got all the way through the logs yet, which I'll show you in just a minute. But part of the logs from the building on another video. And these are, so this is a 6x6 here, and this is a 4x4 here. This is a 4x6 here, and then on the trailer, on this trailer, these are new logs, come from another project, and these are the logs that came off of that excavation job that we did up there by the big barn. And I just wanted to catch you up a little bit and show you. I got to cut up a bunch of that firewood.